So it's very interesting to see old friends again. So yeah, the Chinese New Year tends to like do that to you. You see old friends and you reconnect again, and hopefully they are able to like cross the street properly. They missed their chance actually. Okay, so I have seen a few pretty girls there, so I'm going to go and take a looky and bye bye. So let's go and see any pretty girls or not. No, you should not laugh. So that's about it. No pretty girls. I didn't see them. It's gone. They're gone. Bye bye.